How are you doing?
I'm good, thanks.
How are you doing?
I'm good, thanks.
Where do you live?
I live in Singapore.
Where do you live?
I live in Singapore.
Where are you from?
I'm from the USA.
Where are you from?
I'm from the USA.
What's wrong?
Nothing serious.
What's wrong?
Nothing serious.
Where are you going?
I'm heading home.
Where are you going?
I'm heading home.
What time is it?
It's 9 o'clock.
What time is it?
It's 9 o'clock.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Are you tired?
Just a little bit.
Are you tired?
Just a little bit.
How old are you?
I'm 17 years old.
How old are you?
I'm 17 years old.
Are you ready?
Yes, all set.
Are you ready?
Yes, all set.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love it.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love it.
When will we meet?
Next morning.
When will we meet?
Next morning.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
What's your hobby?
My hobby is reading books.
What's your hobby?
My hobby is reading books.
Where do you work?
I work at a software company.
Where do you work?
I work at a software company.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm today.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm today.
How much is this?
It's $10.
How much is this?
It's $10.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm starving.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm starving.
Can I sit here?
Sure, go ahead.
Can I sit here?
Sure, go ahead.
Do you understand?
Not really.
Do you understand?
Not really.
Do you have a pen?
Yes, here you are.
Do you have a pen?
Yes, here you are.
What's your name?
My name's John.
What's your name?
My name's John.
Can you say it again?
Sure, no problem.
Can you say it again?
Sure, no problem.
Are you busy now?
No, I'm free.
Are you busy now?
No, I'm free.
How was your day?
It was great, thanks.
How was your day?
It was great, thanks.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
See you later.
See you.
See you later.
See you.
អរគុណច្រើនអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាដែលបានទស្សនាវីដេអូនេះពីដើមដល់ចប់សូមកុំភ្លេចចុច like comment ហើយសម្រាប់អ្នកដែលមិនទាន់បានចុច subscribe សូមជួយចុច subscribe ឲ្យខ្ញុំម្នាក់មួយផងយើងជួបគ្នាវីដេអូថ្មីៗក្រោយៗទៀតអរគុណច្រើនបាយបាយ